Dear students, in my previous lecture, I have defined finite dimensional vector space and its basis. So, finite dimensional vector space means there exists a finite subset of the vector space, and it generates to the vector space Vf. Or it means every vector of the vector space can be expressed as a linear combination of this non-wide sets vector. Now what is basis? A non-wide subset of the vector space Vf if it satisfies two conditions, that it is a linearly independent, and second one, it can generate to the vector space V. So we can define, we are familiar about the basis of the vector space. In our courses, only finite vector spaces are involved in the syllabus. So today I will explain the most important theorem for the vector space. It can be stated every finite dimensional vector space has a basis. हर फाइनाइट टाइप वेक्टर स्पेस के लिए हमें एक बेसिस मिलता है. तो हमारे कोर्स में जितने भी वेक्टर स्पेसेज हैं वो सब फाइनाइट टाइप है, इसलिए हमें उन सब के लिए एक बेसिस मिलेगा. करेक्ट? वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस टर्म. Since it is given that Vf, which is a vector space over the field F, is a finite type. By definition of finite dimensional vector space or finite type, there exists a finite subset of the V which generates to the vector space Vf. So let S be a set. V contains V1, V2, V3, Vn. Bs finite set, subset of the vector space V which generates to the vector space Vf. Now two questions arises here. If this S, this non-wide subset S is linearly independent, Li, then both conditions of the basis are satisfied, hence S is a basis. So theorem is proved. Now if we consider that B is not a basis, it means B is not LD, B not Li, so it means it is a LD. It means it has some one vector which prevent to be Li. Then I know very important theorem. I will explain here. I will quote the one theorem. Let V be a vector space over the field F. Then we consider a list in vector space is LD. LD. If and only if some one vector of this list can be expressed as a linear combination of its preceding vectors. यदि किसी वेक्टर स्पेस के अंदर कोई एक नॉन वाइड कोई एक एलडी सेट लेते हैं, तो इस सेट का कोई भी वेक्टर उसके प्रीसीडिंग वेक्टर्स के एलडी के रूप में एक्सप्रेस एलसी के रूप में एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है. So we will use this term. Since if this set S is linearly dependent, so some one vector UK from this list, from this set S, can be expressed as a linear combination of preceding vectors. So, suppose this vector be vk. Now, we remove this vk from the list, from the set S. So, we got S1 is equal to S minus set containing vk. The remaining set be S1. If S1 is Li, then this set S1 will become a basis, because S1 is, if S1 generates the vector space V. Again we consider, if S1 is not Li, then this set will be LD. Then by that theorem, some one vector of this list can be expressed by its preceding vectors. So let this be rth vector. So we find S2 set S1 minus VR. Now this set S2 it generates to the vector space, and if this set is Li, then S2 will become the basis. If S2 is not Li, then this set will be LD. Then by the same procedure, we will remove one by one element. Finally, we will get Li set. Hence, finally, we will get a basis of the vector space V over the field F. Hence, we can claim that every vector is a basis, has a basis.